Want to train welders faster, safer, and more cost-effectively? Welcome to the future of welding education. AT WeldSim from Seabery, Spain, brought to India by Rewabs Industries LLP. So, what is AT WeldSim? It's an augmented reality welding simulator that recreates real-world welding, but without the real gas, metal, or those dangerous sparks. Perfect for ITIs, vocational training centers, and industries, AT WeldSim lets your learners get hands-on experience with MIG, TIG, stick, and FSAW welding processes. Here's what makes this simulator stand out. You get real welding torches and a helmet with HD cameras for that true-to-life feel. It simulates welding in all positions, from 1G to 6G. There's built-in defect detection for things like porosity, spatter, and slag inclusion, just like the real thing. Live feedback and scoring keep trainees engaged and improving on the spot. Plus, there's an integrated learning management system to track every student's performance. And yes, it's multilingual: English, Hindi, Marathi, and more. With AT WeldSim, you save money on consumables and materials, train more welders in less time, and create a safe, eco-friendly learning environment. Whether your team is just starting out or fine-tuning advanced techniques, everyone levels up thanks to data-driven insights and interactive practice. Rewabs Industries LLP handles everything for you: installation, training, remote maintenance, and full support across India. If you're ready to upgrade your welding lab, this is your moment. So contact us today for a live demo. Discover how AT WeldSim can transform your training, your business, and your bottom line.